My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org and the grayhatseo.com agency. In this video, what I will share with you is where to copy your Google Business Profile listings embed code from inside of Maps. So follow along. I'm inside of Google Chrome, and I'm going to walk you through the process utilizing an example. So we'll just go ahead and use the same example. I have a friend of ours, Alligator Wolves. Just say you're looking for your business. Once you're at your business, what you will want to do is go right over to Maps. So I'm inside of Google Chrome. Up at the top, you click on Maps. Make sure your business information is showing. The very next step is click on these three dots right up here at the very top. Scroll down the list and you'll see Share or Embed Map. So you will want to click on Share or Embed Map. The next step is you will want to take this embed code and you will want to copy this HTML. Now, this is going to give you multiple options based upon size. There's small, medium, large, or my personal favorite, custom. So with custom, you're able to set the size based upon your website or your mobile phone or tablet's needs. We want to make sure that it displays very well. With that being said, I'll share with you what the code looks like. Once you copy it, it will look just like this. It is an iframe. This iframe is embeddable. You can embed this across the web. Yes, it's mobile friendly. Yes, it's responsive. If you have any questions, ask below. Hopefully this is helpful. And now you know where and how to find your Google Business Profiles map embed code. I'll see you in the next one.